Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sam and you can find me at craftyourbestlife.com. Today I was just going to pop on and show you how to make a card base. There's a lot of new people out there that are new to card making and they're not really sure of measurements and things like that, so I thought I'd pop on and do a little video to show you how to do it. So a sheet of A4 cardstock is 11 and a half, no, let's check that again, 11 3/4 by 8 1/4. So this is a UK A4 cardstock. So in order to make a card base you want to cut it in half. So there's two ways you can do it. So if you want a card that folds this way, so you'll cut the 8 1/4 side at 4 1/8, and then you're going to score it. I've got to tuck my end in because I've not got enough room. So in order to get it to fold, you're going to score it at 5 7/8. Now, obviously, the other thing you could do is cut it down for 8 inches by 11, and then that's easier to half. Then you're not working in centimeters. So we'll do that in a minute. We'll cut this down to 11. So if you cut it to 11, by 4. No, what am I doing? It would be 8 1/4, yeah. So if I cut this to 4, brain fart. So you're then going to end up with a sheet that's 11 by 4, and then you can just simply score it in the middle at 5 1/2, which is there. And that just gives you a slightly smaller, but it depends on what you prefer, really. We also have the coordinating envelopes that you can buy from the my online shop. You get 40 in there. They come in very vanilla, and they come in whisper white, and there's 40 in a pack of those, so they're great to go with the card base. Whoops, it's all kicking off now. Right, so the other way, so that's our top fold. So you can have it tent fold or on the side like that. So if you want a traditional side fold card, you're just going to do it the other way. So you're going to cut at 5 7/8. If I could talk, it'd be helpful, wouldn't it? But. So we're going to cut it at 5 7/8, or 5 1/2 if you've trimmed your card down. And then rotate it, and we're going to score it at 4 1/8, or 4 if you've cut your card down. And then we've got the card that folds this way. So that's your top fold, that's your bottom fold. Pick my card up off the top. So if you want to make a layer, it's your preference, really. Some people do a 1/4 inch, so your 4 1/2 inch card base, no, 4 1/4 inch card base, the layer would be cut at 4, so it's gone down 1/8. I don't know if you can see that because it's a bit shiny that way, and it's gone down, it will go down 1/8 there, so that would be 5 6/8. Or you can do a whole half an inch, 1/4 inch, and go down to there, so you get a different size mat. So I'll just show you the different colour card a minute. So I'm going to go, the side of the card front is 4 1/4, so I'm going to go to 3 7/8 because that gives me a 1/4 inch. And I'm going to cut that And then this side, the card base is 5 7/8, so I'm going to go down to 5 5/8 and cut that. And then that will give you your layer of card. Then as you go down, if you just, as long as you take the same measurement each time off, you will get even borders around all the same size. So there we go. So that's your tent fold, or your side fold, and that's your traditional side fold card or top fold card that way. I hope that was helpful. Thank you very much for joining me. I will see you again soon. If you would like to visit my online shop, I will link the I will put the link in the description box below, and you also find my blog and all my other social media links down there. So thanks very much for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.